we all know, really, every time you're cutting stuff or, whatever, you should be wearing one. Now, like if I'm spraying stuff, always wear a respirator.
Yeah.
But if I'm just making a couple cuts on the miter saw, listen, I know I should. I don't.
I would love to actually see the data on that. Because every time I see anybody quote anything about a respirator, it's like people who worked in like wood milling factories get cancer like 10
Like
times
50
more
years
likely.
ago.
Yeah, and you're like, all right, but how many of them were like smoking on their break? And like, if you're in a factory all day with wood dust all around you versus a couple cuts on the miter saw, like, where's the?
Yeah,
I don't know.
What do y'all think about that? The space helmet that you've seen on like Instagram and everything lately?
It looks dope, but isn't it like $2,500? It's pretty pricey.
Is it?
Well, because it has like a full-on like hose that goes down your back and like cleans the air and stuff, right?
Yeah, it's got a belt and everything. Like I don't know what's like 3M.
I don't even put on a helmet when I'm riding a bicycle. I'm not going to put on a big giant helmet to cut some wood. Maybe if I was doing like wood turning or something where I was going to be right in it for a while.
Whoa!
What'd you find?
Eric's having his mind blown right now.
Dude, the 3M VersaFlow. $3,430.
It's almost 5,000 Canadian. It's got like a little fanny pack to clean the air, right?
Yeah. And so it has like its own air supply.
Well, you can get just the mask for $800.
Oh, that's not the thing I'm thinking of.
No. Which one are you thinking of?
I don't know the name of it, but I want to say it's called like Space Helmet or something like that, and it's more like a globe, like an egg-shaped version of like a space helmet, like where it's clear almost all the way around.
Oh, I just found it. The Future is Here Dusk Mask Helmet.
What? Okay.
It's called Microclimate.
Okay, I think that might be it.
The Air X Microclimate. Okay.
Yeah, that's the one.
It's $649 US.
Oh, you guys want to see a truly ridiculous product? This product barely even exists anymore, but search the Nosy, the Nosy, and you're going to laugh when you see this.
Oh, this one goes over your whole nose. I thought this was the little circles that went on the nostrils.
No, like clips onto the bridge of your nose, I think, and then somehow filters.
I don't think it'd work on my nose.